Do you have a leaning chimney problem? A recent customer tried 4 different foundation repair companies to get his chimney stabilized. All turned him down. Chris, at Piedmont Foundation Repair, took the challenge and found an oversized footing, along with uncompacted soils causing the settling problem. Here is the testimonial from the homeowner.
I'm Chris Merman with Piedmont Foundation Repair. I'm standing here with Justin Blackwelder in Concord, North Carolina, on the chimney repair we had just completed. Would you like to tell us about what your experience was?
Yes, actually, I was very impressed. Communication was very good. I had talked to several other companies that really didn't want to handle my property, of course, because there's unknowns, and I feel like they really stepped in, tried to take care of me, give me sound mind so that my family and I could feel comfortable and know that our home was going to be okay and our neighbors would be okay, that the chimney wouldn't fall on.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Choosing the wrong contractor can lead to a disaster, as this homeowner found out that used an inexperienced contractor. With over 30+ years of experience and no warranty calls ever, and Google 5-star rated, you can trust our work and service. For your free inspection, just call us at 704-401-4111.